Of course, she has tons of acerbic wit. That's her thing. And in many ways, this is a Shakespearean tragedy, as all her poems are. So I think all of that speaks to her as the major writer behind this version of the film. The other guys came in, they did some stuff, but I don't see evidence of their lives on screen in the way that I see hers. Lines in this piece that she's written are so clearly things that could come out of her very own poems. And I love all of these. This is probably my favorite. His work was beginning to interfere with his drinking. She was always very blasé about alcoholism, and it's something that she suffered from herself. This is a great one when they put him in the asylum, for taking care of his drinking. They have iron bars in the windows to keep out the draft. I mean, how sarcastic and snotty can you be when you're trying not to admit you've been put in a place you can't sign your way out of until you clean up? And then the heartbreak comes out of this. For every dream of yours you make come true, you'll pay the price in heartbreak. So even if you're going to get what you want, you won't have everything. And that is kind of a message of her life, right? She never quite got everything that she dreamed of.